present here on behalf of Chairman, Principal, Vice Principal, Management of JOHS staff and students. I take this grand opportunity to welcome our eminent program inaugurators. I would like to call Ms. Iram Shehzadi for recitation and now Ms. Iram Shehzadi, please come on stage. A request to all of you to please stand for national anthem. Now I give the floor upon respected madam to please come on stage and give prizes and certificates to the toppers. Teachers and students, a big round of applause for the shining star of 2 class, Minahil Gohar. खुशाकीन है परवाज़ है काम तेरा, तेरे आगे आसमां और भी है।
देखो ये सही जा रहा है। आपकी हाइट थोड़ा भी स्टैंड नीचे कर लो अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो
नहीं ये ना वो धूप की वजह से बहुत मसला हो रहा है।
ये पता है क्या वीडियो प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए
जी वो तो हो रहा है।
ठीक है।
Teachers and students, please give a big hand to be present here and present the appreciation awards to our talented students. Now I am going to announce the first position holder.
ठीक चल रहा है ना।
Ali Sher from class 2 section A. Nabiha Mateen from class 2 section C.
ये सामने इनको भी हम
Fahad Ali from class 2 section D. Mustafa Shahid from class 2 section E. Kimza Karamat from class 2 section F.
मिंसा, I am here, मिंसा। अच्छा आपने मुझे देख रही थी मैं स्टेज पे आ गई।
Huzaima Ahmed from class 2 section D. Ahmed Imran from class 2 section M. Now I am going to announce second position holder. Asnad Farhan from section D. Muqaddas Noor from section B. Fakiha Javed from section C. Muhammad Rehan Rashid from section D.
आपको प्राइस सही मैं आपके लिए प्राइस मंगाता हूँ
Azan Rao from section E. Ghulam
मामा
Mustafa
मामा
from
मामा
section
जाओ
E.
तुमने जो चीज़ ला दो कैंटीन से जो चीज़ें क्या चीज़ खानी
Talha Asif from section G. Shahid Imran from section G. Faik Umair from section N. Now I'm going to announce third position holders. Taha Rehan from section A. Arwa Naim from section B. Fariha Badur from section C. Ehsan Zahid from section C. Taha Imran from section E. Bilal Bashir from section G. Taha Jamil from section H. Abdullah Munir from section N. holders of class 3. Ahmed Abbas from section A. Nushi Zahra from section C. Sajid from section C. Arooj Fatima from section J. Shoaib Rana from section M. Abdul Rahman Lothi from section N. Fatima Zahid from section O. Now I am going to announce the second position holders. Omar Zahid from section A. Muhammad Talha Majid from section B. Hira Mohsin from section C. Yusra Batul from section C. Abdurrahman Arif from section D. Momina Bashir from section J. Furqan Rashid from section M. Salar Ahmad from section N. Shifa Taslim from section O. Now I am going to announce third position holders. Ayan Beg from section A. Umar Imran from section B. Abiha Fatima from section C. Yusuf Shami from section D. Zainab Muzaffar from section J. Abdullah Suhail from section M. Haider Ali from section N. Arfan Nazir from section O.
This is 3 class prize distribution 2021.